The VEVOR 8 kW diesel heater rapidly heats spaces between 108 and 161 square feet, reaching temperatures up to 210 degrees Fahrenheit within 5 minutes. This heater is designed to be fuel efficient, consuming only 0.0 to 0.1 gallon per hour, and can run all night with its 1.1 gallon fuel tank. Enhanced safety features, including a carbon monoxide alarm and an overheat shutoff, make this heater a secure choice for long-term use. With dual control options, you can easily adjust the temperature using either the LCD screen or a remote control from up to 98 feet away. The heater's wide compatibility allows it to be used in various vehicles and environments, operating on 12 or 24-volt direct current or household alternating current power. Its all-in-one portable design makes it easy to carry, perfect for winter trips or everyday use in different settings.